My name is Craig Homan. I'm a physician assistant. I practice at Platteville Clinic at Southwest Health. My undergraduate training in Iowa, then up to the physician assistant program, University of Iowa. I graduated there in 1980 and started working in the Cuba City Doctors Clinic at that time, which was ultimately part of the hospital system as we know it today. So I've been in part of the Southwest team and a member of the medical staff since 1980. We like to take each patient as an individual, like to make sure that they get the highest level of care with most compassion that can be delivered, and do it in the fashion that we are caring individuals looking to as a team approach. Well, family practice is so varied in the amount of things you see in a day, and I think it's hard to say what is the best or the most compassionate valuable tool that you have. You know, I do ingrown toenails. I am a fed med examiner for the truck drivers. You know, coordinating between all the staff and knowing which specialists that would be appropriate if they are needed. So I can't say there's one thing that stands out. Just being in family practice, you're knowledgeable in so many different areas. I think it comes to the table, and that shows in our group as many people with the same philosophy and skill set to help all of our patients. I think every day, every person that you can either give the best news or the worst news, but just taking the very best care of every person is the most rewarding. Sometimes it's harder jobs to do when there isn't the best news to deliver, and when the solved problems can't be directly solved, but be empathetic and concerned for them and validate their level of pain or frustrations, I think is the best one can do, with is being understanding that you can't solve everything, but you can solve a lot of things and make life and the quality of life better for many people. I grew up in central Iowa, small farm community, and since I graduated from my training, I've spent that whole time here in the Platteville area. I have a wife and live in the area. Two daughters and two grandchildren. I enjoy them immensely and see that they have, my children have grown up to be good citizens and good careers all to their own. So I can't think of anything better than life to be remembered as having been a good parent, and good, you mark in life is by the next generation.